Hey guys, thanks for checking this out. If you guys own a small business or you're an entrepreneur trying or looking to start selling something online, this is definitely the best program and or training that I found right now. I have sales experience and marketing experience, and this by far was the best way to get started online, period. It shows you the fundamentals of what's happening in today's market. Um, and and it shows you how to build a sales funnel, which is a front end sales funnel, which is essentially the basis for your online business if you're looking to get started. If you're looking to scale your company or your online business, your products or services, this is definitely a 30-day challenge that you need to take just just cause it's just relevant information of what's actually working right now. So, which is huge. It's not outdated information, and it's super useful stuff that you can use and apply right now to your current online marketing strategy that will increase your sales for sure. And there's no script or nothing going on. This is just me talking. I did the challenge. I just finished the challenge, and it's a no-brainer. It was like mind-blowing. Like I said, I have 10 plus years of marketing, sales experience and marketing experience. I worked at GoDaddy and did a lot of cool stuff, but this is by far the most informative and useful, valuable information and training that you can get online right now. So click the link below in the button, and I can give you more information on it right now, and then you can take the challenge and get started right away. It's it's definitely worth it. Check it out. Hope to see you soon. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll have my contact information on this page as well. Thank you so much again. Actually, I didn't even say my name. This is Bobby Pena. Thank you so much. Hope you guys get a lot out of this stuff. I know you will. Take the One Funnel Away challenge and change your life and your business right now. Get started today. Click the button below and move forward to your success. Thanks, guys. That was my cue.